The favorite center number 2, and thereof early lead is taken by Final Countdown and Surprise Call running in second. Cool Reception. And moving up on the pattern outside, Executive Order is Spanish Drum, and Super Elegant is bringing up the rear. And the mid-back stretch, Final Countdown by 3.5 lengths, followed by Surprise Call in second. Executive Order. Cool Reception is Spanish Drum moving up in between horses, and Super Elegant is still trailing the group. Rounding the far turn, Final Countdown by 3.5 lengths, and Surprise Call remains in second. Spanish Drums moving up on the outside. Executive Order. Cool Reception. And the last bend for home, it is still Final Countdown by 3.5 lengths, followed by Spanish Drums in second. Surprise Call, Executive Order, and Cool Reception. And into the home stretch, it's still Final Countdown in the lead, followed by Spanish Drums now moving up on the inside. It's now Spanish Drums in the lead, followed by Final Countdown. And here in the payoff line, it is still Spanish Drums in the lead, followed by Final Countdown, Executive Order, and Super Elegant. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Spanish Drums. And close between Executive Order, Super Elegant, Final Countdown, Cool Reception, Surprise Call.